Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Nsem TVGH so wofre me Adwoa searching ebusuafo Honorable Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan the baby mama Mame Mora de nsem bia betudwa na o kire se ewiase yeti se abosomfo so mo abese wa wo bese wo bewie okura wodi nkan bo woda nti the Honorable Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan no abosomfo na de sa na Mora kire se Honorable Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan NPP a member obebu ATSC you were part of the government contract akese oje and what your contract now when you're so far so did my own phone now you don't know now and when to make us NPP and your party papa and then NPP so walk a contest we're losing NPP a bad party yenti nsema Honorable Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan baby mama etudwa
Akompre kana mo fa ne nkọ kwasia na oye nimpa na tie mefa mbra fantimu mawo oh kojo mi da se mefa mbra fantimu mawo nimpa na abosom aye omo adwen so omo bese no omo di nkan ma ne bufu nimpa bia ahohom edi esi omo ani so se nipa we ye bese no omo di nkan ma ne bufu efise ne bufu senya kwasia yiye ya okeka kwasia sem na omo afaso na omo ase no senya obi ka se o se wo kasa woni ma hohom agina ho omo afa no meka kire no se we eye 666 so nimni eye ma no nkapa chawo antwem kwasia keka na okeka aye na nsan na musumu jano munko next level disciplinary committee suspend him, interdict him, sack him. I want you to understand, say, baby, as I see, I wako jinano. Muyino, or semo dada. Yes, or be semo. Ken, or semo dada. Mona mobojin so. Akoko ba kanya, or tumidin in 9, everything in magu, kwasiawe. Mekachem say he will sacrifice anything and anybody. Kwasia we. Or kwasie we. Ajem kwa me da se kwasie. Kene Japana. Mwana mwe heli no na wae Hail Mary. Mwe heli na ma wae Hail Mary. Muntie ha.
Was the chairman for Defense and Interior. This hospital,
Lady Frimpoma Akwaba.
it was started by President Kufuor, allocations and all those things. NDC came to start it whenever.
It was started by Kufuor, by NPP. NDC came to start it. You want to give credit to NDC, ama. Now Kevin Telane, he wants us to sack him. Yeah, sack him. Massa, Ajenkwai, let me tell you something. Kwasiawe, most sacking a crown joining the base. Believe me. Because the base, sempo nanko betu nyako kawa. And radia why yama na ye so obvious say obey kwasia so obey joining. Na me pacho so joining we base na. Bear man no say oba. What the fuck will happen? It will only go to show say omo ya mwa. Omo nyina na omo ya mwa no. Omo nyina. He needs to be sacked. Uncle, me pacho, se mo manat nemu a. It's not as if so team no ya mo papa o. Oni ba omi anam ko campaign no. Not the same day. Or share hotels. Catch for say me ya hanya. Aje kwa me da say. O me ya hanya. Mokwa amunya ni say, why? Ken no obi na no ka chem so no yo odunfu kunfo aje kwa me da say o say mami minimum obi ono na ma ye fa ni wadwumem e na ono anso another time o ka chem so o ma ye yi nipa kro ne di na me bisa ne say oh na nye one woman o say mami me odunfu kunfo aje kwa me da say why me see take him through the process because nia o see ot na NPP mu no word of mouth. Behind the party or deep bonnet. Or see or bay a bron or ja. Messity tie ena Canada Japan ka so che ba kumpo ni ono toye obuwa wana aden ena obekwa koto cars registered 2025 nini na odi akoche wa bra oye campaign no senka enye Kent I don't come that say Kent 2028 by force ena ebe che no sa white pickup na nka Kwasiapanin way onika time an ni team omuka say ye their own car say ye no mu bisa car no Christy said she has no access to any car Kwasia way ne campaign trucks no enye onu apo no dey sika toy ena ono out of the blue sanyoma way nka nye campaign time na also che sesia no wenya sika meso buwa nyane sika bia iya one crowd was our financiers iya me say how many times have you heard him na me call Alfred or being ho ekoji sika meanwhile before sasem no na de bi oka monim sika me de person ko Kumasi I organize this number of ninya Alfred or being sika bua abue banan medasi
I'm an NPP, but I have to tell you the truth.
I said I'm an NPP and no the show to send Kevin Taylor Sokano. I'm an NPP member but me bomb with I'm an NPP but I have to see if you want to say the truth you should have said the truth the time they stopped you from the investigation. The time whoever told you not to go to Afari, Kwasia, that is when you should have told us. And I'm saying it again. What's the one you want did any Kwasiapanin Japan? Me assure some Kwasia, some ya wujina ha woka train. It is documented. Because if it's not fucking documented, say you've written anywhere in your report as chairman of Interior and Defense. Say, who propose ye, mu ye ready some mu inspection wa Afaria. Ya mama unko Kwasia. If you don't have it in any report, not even in your handing over a anchor, na buanyo abuwa penin. Yam papa de sunim nyansas no. Yes. Ebia men pacho.
And nobody. We didn't do anything. The locations and all those things, NDC came to start it whenever I was the chairman for Defense and Interior. This hospital, NDC, it was started by President Kufuor. The locations and all those things, NDC came to start it whenever when we came. I'm an MP, but I have to tell you the truth. We're talking about Ghana and nobody. We didn't do anything. Read my lips. I'm telling you the gospel truth. I was the chairman for Defense in Nigeria. When we decided to go and inspect Africa, they stopped us.
We didn't do anything. Yanya she. Read ordinary Kwasia, read my lips na babium. Number 4. Read my lips. You got nerves. I tell you the truth. Na ba video jama wow. Abua. Kene yabuo ye gwan so kan. Razerie ya bodo mu spray. Me fui.
Interior. This hospital, NDC, it was started by President Kufuor. The locations and all those things, NDC came to start it.
It was started by President Kufuor. Then NDC came to start it. Tautology them. Insane na attach here obrofi. You knew me. In your nature, economics is ibon as it can alakwa no nye black and white. Kwasiapanin inti nyman sesa na brofo no who side Jimmy Benin.
He came. I'm an NPP, and I have to tell you the truth. We're talking about Ghana, and nobody. We didn't do anything.
Hey, Mama Nimpachow. Now on train sign. Na so si on ya. Mufane kwa disciplinary committee. If need be, Mama nema monye reason. Because man you know so man chini mwa. You are telling the whole country that you are scared of this thief. He wins. Someone kasane wa. He wins. Just a musrono. Na we die ya ye na die ni be die eche. Mwaya ne hwia. Hwan na mo betiano hwaya. Hwaya na mo betiano. Wo breseri do ha. Ncha obate wondri. Pa ncha mama papa tapa abonwoma amon. Mazo wona ahya wan kwana. Ye ba ye no ya nyehwe. Yanyeshia ma yebotu me break 8. Kani ya buo. Ya buo. Mr. MDC, NPP, if we don't know how to communicate. Ye ba ye yanyeshi. Wow. Mwanyeshia ma Akufo-Addo style of governance. Entino ama Dr. Baumia wa ya die. Me ko bebia me hu ne footprints. Yanyeshi. Yanyeshi ye ba bem yanyeshi. Ken. Inti we ipacho sasa me wujan ya wuken. Inde da na ehuni. Ana time we chairman of Interior and Defense. Before you wanted to go for the inspection, during the time they stopped you, after the time you didn't go, me pacho wan kasa wu wisdom no. Wo kwa afare ho. Did you report this to anybody? Why you are worried that there is a problem going on at Afari and you want to go and inspect, but you have been stopped? Mobile man yashi. But you were sure that you people could break the 8th. We are Kwasiapanin. We are Kwashini. We are Kwashini. We are Kwashini. We are Kwashini. Awo obianyu reason come odo recordo. Awa obianyu reason come e robi ni fi odo waji wudi eni. O send da koro bakada amba. Etne ego mo odo wasa wona asa ahia. Awo eko obi ni fi a odo was body cam was gbogbo ho. O send ibiza akoshi. Ko shini da brebeni abue. I pledge my support. But they are looting. I pledge my support to support the Bawumia who is a liar and didn't do anything. What is your peculiar interest? Chise mouse, Katisena Ghana Jollof Rokan. We mala one bros. Kwasiapanin.